they're most of them are coming back tomorrow morning to get it.
Good question. I think this is the same game set.
Oh, yeah.